Okay.
A few moments later.
But what the hell, boy?
Bruh.
Bye, have a great time.
Chalo. Oh my God!
2 hours later.
God!
Ta-da!
No! Thank you. Perfect. Huh? Huh?
Ha! Gay!
Hello there.
Yalla!
Denied. Fatality.
FBI, open up! Got him!
Hey, that's pretty good.
LOL. Now, yes.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
What do you today?
What the heck, bro?
Yeah, boy.